Okay, let's get this started. So we're going to randomize the teams 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the names. Oh. So we're going to randomize the names 4 times as well. One, 2, 3, and 4. Make sure that's correct. Team John 10, Team John 10. Okay. Let's load a little bit. Okay. Why is there 31 teams? A lot. There's 31 teams for a reason. Nuggets. Oh, what? Pistons, Pacers, Bucks, Heat, Suns, 76ers, Bill 49. Anyone see a duplicate team? There's 31 teams for some reason. Oh, that's why. No, that's right. Oh, there's 29 people. Okay, hold on 1 second. I'm trying to turn this down. Oh, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Sorry about that. There's 30 teams, but only 29 orders because one got canceled at the last minute. So, no one. At least it's the Hawks that get known. Sorry about that confusion. There was only 29 teams sold because someone canceled at the last minute, so just no one's getting the Hawks, I suppose. Okay, so that is your teams. If anyone wants to know what teams I get, just ask me during the break if you are unable to see at the moment. Okay, sorry about the delay here. Oh wait, but this is the one box random team NBA hoops. Guaranteed 1 auto. Oh, there goes the paper. Okay, Christopher, you got the 76ers, Cavaliers, and Kings. I believe that's all 3. Yes. Kings, 76ers, and Cavaliers. So you're hoping for an Evan Mobley. Okay. Nice and centered. Let's get ripping. Simmons, come on. Hope. Come on. Come on. Crowder, Lonnie Walker, Bradley Beal, Prime Twine, and Jalen Green. Rookie card. Not too bad. Ronnie. I'm going to assume Ronnie is your name on here. Nope. Hey, it's Ronnie. What is, like your name on eBay? Like, not like username, like name. Like, what's your actual name? Wiggins, Hardaway, Marvin Bagley, Butler, Gordon Hayward, Jaren Jackson. Got James Harden High Court. And Trey Mann, rookie. We're going to look for Redbacks. Ronnie J. You got the Bulls. Ronnie J, you got the Bulls. So you're looking for some Ayo Dosunmu. John Wall, Brandon Jackson. Turner. There's a Bull. Got Scotty Barnes. And James Bouknight. Smart, Sexton, Gary Harris, Jeff Green, Brogdon. Oh, well, not much of a reveal, but our auto is Cameron Thomas, rookie ink, for the Brooklyn Nets. So, let's see who got the Nets here. I don't know if you're here, but Tim, you got the Nets, so this will be going to you. I can't notice. Well, that's who autograph we got last time, Isaiah Jackson. And Corey Kispert. Terrence Ross, Bullock, Buddy Hield, Hero, Covington, Keon Johnson, and Usman Garuba. Hayes, Durant, Siakam, Williams, Rose, Bledsoe, Alperen and Gwyn, and Miles McBride. I think we got a silver. Barnes, Schroeder, Washington, Ja, and Derek White to 199 silver. So for the Spurs. Then Moses Moody, rookie. Derek White in a sleeve. And a top loader. Harden, Trent, Dante, George, Tons. We got a purple Anthony. Ooh, purple Corey Kispert and Juan Toscano. Holiday, Maxey, Green. Hachimura, Ingles, got another purple. Kendrick Naughton, purple. And Abdia, Aldamada, I don't know how to say the last name. Oh. What? That's kind of weird. Got 2 rookie cards. Oh, red back. You got a red back Miles McBride and Jalen Johnson. Ooh. I think that's a green. I haven't had one yet, so not sure. If it's a green anniversary, it's numbered to 75. Or is it just a silver? Got Nets, Kevin Durant. Oh, it's just a high voltage insert, okay. Oh yeah, it's just shiny, little green. But not bad. Kevin Durant and Brandon Boston Jr. rookie card. Got another shiny. Kemba. I think that's a silver. Oh, Kareem. It's not a silver then. Oh. Got all-time scoring leader Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Silver. And then got Sengun rookie card. And got an insert. Michael Porter Jr., Zero Gravity, and Isaiah Jackson rookie. No top rookies yet. We got Kongwu, Rozier, Brandon Clark, City Edition, Colin Sexton, and rookie Scotty Barnes. Poku. Damn, he's tall and skinny. Paul, Josh Jackson. Harold, Rudy Gobert. Got James Harden. Hoopla. And you got Sharif Cooper rookie card. Holmes, Al Horford, Garland, Kyle Anderson, Monty Morris, Levert. Got a numbered Giannis, kind of common here, out of 999, and a Trey Murphy III. See a lot of these numbered finals ones, so not that uncommon. A nice card if you like Giannis. Middleton and Embiid, Porter, Jalen Smith, Jakob Poeltl, Robinson, City Edition Booker, and Isaiah Livers or Livers. Still no Cade or Mobley. Sell, Victor, Miles Bridges. Got Chris Middleton to 2021 Road to the Finals. And a Bones Highland rookie card. Middleton in a sleeve. Just take the rest of the packs out of here. Not Cameron Thomas down. Rick Thomas, I don't know. LeBron, Carter, Sadiq Bey, Jokic, Sabonis, Marketing, and a now playing Jalen Suggs, and a Josh Giddey. Not bad. Boban, Halliburton, Pritchard, CJ, Trae Young, Millsap, now playing Franz Wagner, and Davion Mitchell rookie card. Okay, ooh, that. Probably another high voltage. It's freaking Cameron. Kyrie, Kobe White, Robinson. Nope, that's an anniversary one. Let's see here. Got a Nets again. I think this said rookie. I think it said a rookie too. Another Cameron Thomas. Day'Ron Sharpe to 75. Anniversary. Next rookie card, Jason Preston. Two packs left. Trying to get a good rookie here. We got a numbered rookie, which is always good. Base. NBA hoops. Got a silver of this? Or is that just how they look? Yeah. This is a hollow of Zero Gravity for Derrick Jones Jr. and the Trailblazer. And Joe Wiseman. Oh, now there's two packs left. Okay, something a little shiny. Conley, Derek White, Jason Tatum. What the frick does that say? Got a Charles Bassey rookie card. Hypnotized. Jason Tatum. Hallelujah. Hypnotized. Okay, last pack. Gordon, Zion, Paisley, DeRozan, Fournier, Russell, purple Luke Kennard, and last rookie is Herbert Jones. Okay, let's go through, I guess, our 3 highlights. We did get a numbered Giannis and a numbered, but I think you get with like one of those forgot. Okay, we got Cameron Thomas, auto, rookie card, rookie ink. Derek White out of 199, and then Day'Ron Sharpe anniversary out of 75. Also, if anyone wants to get on another break like this, I have a hobby box, 2 blaster box of NBA hoops plus 2 blaster box of Mosaic on eBay right now, and they're auctions, so you can pick your team. And then there's another one of these breaks, exactly the same, random team, NBA hoops, 1 box hobby. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day.